Well, how's it going, YouTube? So we're gonna do a quick walk around the property. Now, as you can see, I've had some dirt put in where the driveway was that we were cutting in one of the last videos. But beautiful day today, 75 degrees. I figured I'd walk you guys around. Now, I don't know whether to just have the camera facing me or just walk the trails that I've put in. I think I'm just going to walk the trails and talk to you guys. I think that would probably be the best way to do it. Alright, so this is the driveway on the way in. And I found a couple blueberries at the end down there. So we got some big wild blueberries down at the beginning of the driveway. Here's that massive, unreal how big this tree is. Sugar maple. And there's the driveway. Right on out. Let's go down here. So plenty of trails and space to walk around, and this is where I had the camera set up last time when I was cutting the entranceway, making this cleared out. And then this is where all the mushroom logs are all stacked up. Got a lot more new mushroom logs for sure. We've got 2 piles of shiitakes that are already done right here and right here. And then, it might be hard to see it, but there's a pine back there that's got the blue oysters, and then these haven't been done yet. And then all the fruit trees that still need to be planted. And then we've got to the middle of the field. Nice and sunny today. Gives me a really good idea of where the sun is, where to start putting things. Here's a bunch of little maple trees that I've saved. I took a lot of the big pines out and saved the smaller ones. And all this extra sunlight's just going to bring these guys up. It's going to look cool. There's a cherry tree right there. So here's the driveway. And let's go check out some of the trails. I only had to cut down really two big trees, and they just so happened to both be oaks, and I hated it. It really sucks. But that's the wood you need for cooking. That's the wood you want to cook over the fire with, and that's what shiitakes love the most. So that will be all used. Look at the size of these trees in here. Here's one of the picnic tables. A little cool little spot in here to hang out. And then this is going to the point where the property comes into a point. You can see nice. Oh yeah. And then there's a fork in the road, and it just loops around. Wow, this is a monster right here. This is a beast. So I had the mulcher. Guy had a big mulching attachment on the front end of a skid steer and just came in, and everywhere that I'd done work, he just kind of mulched it all up. Even smoothed it out. I mean, like, look at the mulch layer in here. Just made it nice and level. And then here's the turn in the driveway. So the driveway comes in here and it goes out into the field. And then there's a little trail with a little picnic table down there. And then you can see on the other side of these trees where I've had a clearing, I had him go in there and just completely open up that whole thing. And you know what? The driveway goes out. Let me go in here and show you this. You see the kids made a little trail through here. Here we go. On both sides of the road, both roads, so property comes into a point. You can see the other road over there. But check this out. Wow. Big maples, big sycamores, big oaks, a couple big cherries in here. This right here is the new hidden grove. It's the new hidden citrus grove, but we're not only going to have citrus in here, we're going to have, wow, look at the root. That's a root from that sycamore tree. There's some avocados in here too. So the really super cold hardy citrus trees, they're going to go out in the field, wide open. That's like the trifoliate, it's the citramello, the citranderins, the super cold hardy stuff. Lots of sour, not a lot of sweet stuff. But in here is where the cold hardy satsuma mandarins are going to be, the cold hardy tangerines, you know, some Mexicola Grande avocados, wide open. Look how sunny it is out in here, guys. And then this is the real entrance right here. The hidden entrance to the hidden grove, and those are big magnolias. I've got magnolia gates for an entrance. I'm gonna bring it over here real quick. Some real big magnolia trees. I got another one right here too. So you go through the magnolias. Okay. Pathway through the magnolias into the hidden citrus grove. You could just imagine coming back here when it's November, the leaves started to drop, it's getting a little chilly, and it's all green back here, covered in bright oranges and little kumquat hybrids and all kinds of cool stuff. So this right here is a poncan tangerine, and otherwise known as the honey tangerine, the Chinese honey tangerine. So here's a little campsite, little picnic area for the shipping container. A little pathway right there with a little burn pit. Maybe another picnic table. That's a Shangsa mandarin that I planted. Both of those are from Stan McKenzie. McKenzie Farms out of Scranton, South Carolina. Check them out. But we're going to have citruses and avocados lined up on both sides of this. You can imagine we'll have citrus and avocados here, citrus and avocados there, and a nice big wide open pathway in the middle, right in between them. And there's the other picnic table, my camping stuff in there. the other loop around trail. Bunch of blueberries in here. Here's one of them. This is a massive high bush blueberry. Vaccinium formosum. The swamp high bush blueberry of the south. I've never seen giant wild blueberries. They're look at this. That's as tall as I can reach. It's all the way up there. All the flowers. Big, beautiful blueberry. Wild blueberry. I'm going to figure out a really cool way to propagate those. I'm going to air layer them. I'm going to get them to root somehow. You know, scratch this a little bit, scar the branch, and then wrap it up with some wet, moist dirt and seal it up, and hopefully it'll start rooting, and I can just put this right in the ground like that. And this is what, if you can see how that looks in there, that clearing, this is what it looked like in here. It was a natural clearing. There was no bulldozer taking trees out. There was a natural clearing of small underbrush and vines, and it was really easy. I'd been in here and made sure and looked at everything, and a lot of it, he saved this because there was some more diversity in here. And these are little baby magnolias in here too. Elderberry? This elderberry. This is an elderberry bush right here. One here, right there. Another elderberry bush right there. And then you got the little patch of wild magnolias right here. Nice sunny spot underneath all these old giant trees. So if you guys like this, go ahead and give a thumbs up down below. If you don't, give a thumbs down. Tell me what you think. If there's anything that you think that we should do with the property that would be cool, go ahead and leave that in the comments down below also. Now, as of right now, we're doing mushroom logs, and we're doing citrus, blueberries, peaches, avocados, and hopefully rental, like a vacation Airbnb rental. You see this right here? See this? This is what the whole thing looked like. All of it. It was all viney, and yeah, it was nice that you could see where the deer are laying in there. There's little spots where there's a little spot right there that the deer are bedding in. But this whole area back here was all vines that was just smothering everything, and these vines right here too. And you know, there was a clearing, and it stayed a clearing. Oh, here's some more elderberry. You can see the leaves on the elderberry up there. Wild elderberry, wild blackberry, wild blueberry, and I keep seeing this everywhere. This is one of my favorites. Japanese honeysuckle. Japanese wild honeysuckle. So that's it for the trails. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Look forward to making some cool videos out here. This is the new office. My new desk. So thanks for watching, guys. And I've got a lot of good ideas with this, and I'm looking forward to hearing what you guys' ideas are, because I'm open to ideas. You guys got some cool things that we could do, and it would work. I'd definitely consider it, you know. But thanks for watching. You guys have a good one.